Lepke Buchalter, a notorious American mobster, rose to power during the Prohibition era, cementing his status as one of the most influential figures in organized crime. This video explores Buchalter's remarkable journey, from his early criminal endeavors to his ascent within the criminal underworld and the empire he built on violence and fear. Early life and criminal beginnings. Born on February 6, 1897, in New York City, Louis Lepke Buchalter grew up in a poverty-stricken neighborhood. Coming from a troubled background, he quickly turned to a life of crime, engaging in petty theft and eventually progressing to more serious offenses. Buchalter's criminal prowess and ambition set the stage for his future rise to power. Formation of Murder Incorporated. Buchalter, in collaboration with fellow mobster Albert Anastasia, played a pivotal role in the creation of Murder Incorporated. This deadly syndicate of contract killers was responsible for carrying out murders and assassinations on behalf of various crime families. Buchalter's shrewd organizational skills and ability to maintain control and loyalty among its members elevated his influence within the criminal hierarchy. Dominance in labor racketeering. Building on his growing power base, Buchalter ventured into labor racketeering, exploiting labor unions for personal gain. His control over influential unions enabled him to manipulate industries and extort large sums of money from business owners. This ensured a steady stream of income and further solidified his authority within organized crime. Alliances with powerful figures. Recognizing the importance of alliances, Buchalter cultivated relationships with other prominent mobsters of his time. Notably, he aligned himself with Charles Lucky Luciano, one of the most powerful crime bosses of the era. This strategic partnership allowed Buchalter to expand his operations and exert control over illicit activities on a larger scale. Control over the garment industry. One of Buchalter's most significant criminal enterprises was his domination of the garment industry. Extortion, illegal gambling, and labor racketeering allowed him to amass enormous wealth and influence. Buchalter's ruthless tactics often involved ordering hits on those who refused to comply with his demands, further solidifying his reputation as a fearsome figure. Downfall and execution. Despite his considerable power, Buchalter's luck eventually ran out. In 1940, he was convicted on charges of conspiracy to commit murder and was sentenced to death in the electric chair. On March 4, 1944, Buchalter met his end at Sing Correctional Facility, marking the fall of one of the most notorious mob figures of his time. Legacy and impact on organized crime. Lepke Buchalter's rise to power and legacy as a ruthless mobster cannot be underestimated. His involvement in Murder Incorporated, dominance in labor racketeering, and control over various industries left a lasting impact on organized crime. Buchalter's story serves as a cautionary tale, illustrating both the allure and the consequences of pursuing power within the dangerous world of organized criminality. Conclusion. Lepke Buchalter's ascent from a troubled upbringing to becoming a notorious crime boss within the realms of organized crime is a tale filled with intrigue and dark ambition. His involvement in the creation of Murder Incorporated and his iron grip on labor racketeering established Buchalter as a feared and influential figure. Though his reign came to a violent end, his impact on the criminal underworld remains a chilling reminder of the power and ruthlessness that can be wielded by those consumed by the pursuit of illicit dominance.